Hello, my name is Owen Pugh, and I'm going to be audio describing Pride, A Lion's Roar by composer Renell Shaw and writer Rachael Young, with animation by Legall. This work explores themes and experiences of prejudice faced by people of colour. An animated film of a large cityscape, predominantly greys, blacks and whites, with highlights of blues, reds and greens on certain buildings, trees and the sky. The animation is impressionistic in its style, with wavy lines and curved edges. In the foreground is a monument built from the letters that make up the words pride and voice. In the background are tower blocks that form the word succeed. Atop the monument is a statue of Lady Justice, holding scales in her left hand and a sword in her right hand. She stands on a large orb and wears a crown with 5 long points and has a blindfold covering her eyes. The word pride appears on the left-hand side of the screen, followed by the city that surrounds it with the word succeed in the background. Puffs of smoke are seen going off sporadically. Close up on a man with a beard and dreadlocks, looking upward and smiling, panning up the monument. The man looking at the monument decides to climb it. He reaches and pulls himself up. He quickly ascends. Hand reaching, suit is tearing, fingernail looks like claws. He is climbing up the word pride, one letter at a time. He reaches and pulls himself up, takes a breath and continues climbing up the letters.
It's like thunder. They try to diminish my light, keep me under. More time out minding my business, the trouble came to me. You can bear witness, I've tried to shrink beyond my greatness. There's no way to win surrounded by haters. Surrounded by haters. It seemed to matter how small I made myself. I was always picked out as the loudest in the room. I've lost count of the amount of times people called my name for something I had nothing to do with. Always guilty until proven otherwise. I just tried to keep my head down, keep things quiet. I started wearing my hood up. If they can't see me, they can't blame me, but they always found a way.
The climber looks up and smiles as he reaches the base of the Statue of Justice. He climbs the statue. It towers over the climber. His suit is more dishevelled and his ears seem more angular, like a lion's. He climbs the statue's robes. The sky changes from greys to blues and purples. Lady Justice stands over the city, arms wide. Explosions of smoke continue around the city. The climber reaches and climbs onto her shoulder. He stands, reaches and pulls off her blindfold. He looks out, clothed, dishevelled and bare-chested. He roars wildly with his arms outstretched. The blindfold falls and lands on the scales, changing the balance. Lady Justice looks out over the city. The explosions have stopped and the words succeed, voice and pride stand out.